All right, you need to have KPIs in your business. Number one, so you can have momentum. Number one, so you can make decisions based off of data. So you can fire people based off of data and not emotions. Right? To where, like, man, I feel like Homeboy's just not doing his job.
But you can't support it.
But you can't support it to where, trust me, I've had these conversations with one of my mentors, and I was like bitching, and like I was going through it, and he was like, bro, where the fuck's the data? Like,
It's data. You telling me you ain't performing.
you tell me, but like you going based off of emotions. Like you need to be able, and this is where you're lacking in your business.
Yep.
Like what is going on, Stratton? Like you need to know what's going on. Toward for real estate, how many leads did we get? How many offers did we make? How many contracts did we get signed?
Yep.
And how many of those bitches closed?
Yeah.
Just track that. And then how much money it took for all of those leads together, and then you can do the math from there.